Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Hotpot soup base, only way. Start by toasting whole spices, then bloom aromatics in oil, add bones or stock, reduce and balance with salt and acid for depth. Use chili paste sparingly if you want heat, or roast tomatoes for sweetness. Simmer gently for at least 1 hour to concentrate flavors, skim fat as needed, and finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma. Gather these ingredients: bones or mushroom stock, ginger, garlic, scallions, star anise, Sichuan peppercorns, dried chilies, chili bean paste, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Toast whole spices, then fry aromatics until fragrant and golden. Add stock and simmer to extract collagen or mushroom umami, then reduce to concentrate flavor. Taste and adjust with salt and a splash of vinegar or lime. Strain if desired, reserve. Control heat gently to avoid cloudiness, keeping a slow simmer rather than a rolling boil. Skim foam and excess fat periodically to clarify the soup, or refrigerate and remove solidified fat for a cleaner finish. Build layers of flavor by roasting bones, charring garlic, or adding fermented bean paste for savoriness. Adjust spice levels at the end, finish with fresh cilantro or scallion, and serve hot with assorted dipping ingredients and noodles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.